Do I consume other popular auto mechanics in our industry? Yes, I do. South Main Auto. He's a riot. So he was talking about the AFM management systems on GM. Then he's saying Honda and everybody. There's a few different variations of AFM, active fuel management. What that means is if you have a V8, it'll run on 4 cylinders. If you have a V6 or whatever the case may be, as you're cruising, what it does is it shuts down the system, so you're not running on all 8 cylinders for fuel economy. A lot of people will complain that the car feels like it's not right. They should just stop making it. Cadillac had a 4-6-8 system back in Chrysler did it. Stop producing this garbage. It's unnecessary. They build these systems, they don't test them long enough, they ram them down the consumer's throats, and then the consumer is nothing but unhappy and has issues in mechanical fail. So he was saying last night, I was watching his videos about a customer of his that has 100,000 on there. The customer deactivated electronically on his GM product, and at 100,000 miles, I think he said it dropped the lifter or something like that. I forget what the case is. But what he said is that instead of him going in there and rebuilding the motor, which guarantee this car's burning oil, I bet you this turd right here is burning oil, right? They're all burning oil now. What do you need to do? Rebuild your engine every 30,000 miles to keep it from burning oil? No, that's not practical. Or every 100, which is stupid. He just said this customer particularly was fouling out spark plugs here and there in different cylinders because he deleted the active fuel management. I don't know. Oh, so yes. Because he deleted it, it's causing the rings to stick, therefore putting oil in the combustion chamber. So yes, he is correct. But my point to this story is these manufacturers are putting garbage engines out there. Now Honda is on my crappy to buy list. Honda is on the crappy to buy list. If you're buying a used Honda, you used to be able to buy a used Honda and had confidence. Then they took a great LS Series generation engine and ruined it with active fuel management, right? Stupid. But I'm curious to say, if these people or customers or consumers were maintaining these vehicles to the highest standards and to the earliest standards, would they have lifter failure? Would they have wiped out camshafts? Would they have sticky valves? All this stuff? I'm going to tell you no. I'm going to tell you no. This thing right here. What I'm saying is if they changed their oil every 3,000 miles, right, and did fuel injections and bought good gasoline and change their air filters.
Yeah, but who's doing all that?
Nobody. That's the point. Nobody. But then they're left with a $60,000 $60,000 piece of crap.
I mean, we will because we know better, but the common population is not going to.
They're not going to do it. You're lucky to get them to come in and clean their throttle body. You're lucky to get the customers coming in and clean their throttle body. So there's a lot of manufacturers out there. And the people shouldn't shrug their shoulders about it. They should be really pissed off that they're building these engines and recommending horrible maintenance schedules. And then on top of that, the customers are ignoring the minimum maintenance schedules. But anyway, I do watch South Main Auto. He's a great technician, great mechanic. He is the guy that will dig through your entire wire harness to find a problem. He enjoys that work. Thanks for watching.